What's the secret to eternal happiness? Haven't the foggiest. But for an eternally beautiful home, meet Huggleberry Hill Wallpaper. Timeless, vibrant English designs with luxurious linen-like textures made from environmentally friendly, non-toxic materials that'll absolutely transform your flat, cottage, pad or bungalow, or for all you Americans, your apartment or your house. I used to live in a colourless malaise. But I turned this room from a gloomy gust to a ray of sunshine all by myself. With peel and stick application, installing Huggleberry Hill on your surfaces is easier than tea and biscuits. And don't you worry about any little buggers making a mess, because all you need to clean up calamities is a damp cloth and a smile, even if every day you die a little bit more inside. To add more of you to your home, click the link to spiff up your space today with Huggleberry Hill.